Wow guys, today we unboxing Nothing Phone 2. The box look like that. There is a document box which no one read and on the written designed by Nothing and a Type-C to C port. Let's check the phone on the plastic written Earth First Phone 2. Has 53 parts made at sustainable materials. Its packaging is plastic free. Let's open the phone. The phone is running on OS Android 13. Nothing has 2 chips Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm. CPU octa-core Onyx 3.0 guys Cortex. Let's talk about display type Mail, Column CEM, 1600 nits, 8 BM, 1600 nits peak size 6.7 inches, 108.0 Camtoon screen tune TE 787 to MET each. Let's check the battery type Lion 4700 mAh, non-removable charging 45U wired, ESQ4, 100 screen in 55 min. Advertised 15 wireless 130 min advertised 5U reverse wireless. Camera dual 50MP. f1.9 2056 1.0 PDAF OS 50MP IFA with 1476 0.64 of features LED flash panorama to expect expecting on effects space exhibitions features to state based on law features described to front camera single 32M f2.5 wine 2.74 0.18 features after video 1080p through 30s. The phone has 2 colors, white and gray black. Thanks guys for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe for more video.